So this is a quick makeup look today. I am going out with my friends. We're just going to be sitting on a patio at a restaurant. So we're just going to do a very simple makeup look. Nothing too fancy. This is just a color corrector I'm using under my eyes and over my eyes as well. And so I'm just going to use another palette right here. And this palette is from BH Cosmetics. And we are going to do something very light. I'm going to use a brown purpley color just in the crease. This is going to be a very quick makeup look, guys. And of course, I do have my Sigma switch right here. So we're just going to remove the color from the brush. And I'm going in with, I think I'm going to use this purple color just right on the lid, just like so. And we're just going to keep it just like that. We're just going to blend it out. And again, nothing too fancy. We're going to be sitting on a patio. I'm using my black eyeliner. I'm just going to sharpen this just a little bit. Just like so. I'm not going in with any lashes today. And this mascara is from e.l.f. And this is the Lash It Loud mascara. And we're just gonna put a little bit at the end where I did put that black eyeliner. I'm using my favorite product here from CoverGirl, and we're going to do a little color correcting. And of course, my Fenty Beauty foundation. Just using a sponge to dab off the excess because obviously I went in with too much. That is much better. Hence the reason I do not go in with too much foundation on my face because it's going to start to cake up. Whereas with the sponge, it's just going to absorb any excess that I do have on my face. Back with the brush. And I'm just gonna go over my face one more time. My NW47 powder from MAC. Going in with my nude lipstick here from Maybelline. It's called Almost Truffle. my favorite lipstick of all times, guys. I'm telling you, it is so beautiful. It is a lovely nude color. This is so pretty. And I'm just going to use, let's see, this is my chestnut lip liner. Look at that. I mean, that is so cool. And I'm going to put maybe just a little black eyeliner in my waterline. Just putting the powder brush all over my face. You're gonna set everything. This is from Maybelline. And you're just gonna pull the hair down. Okay, my friends, here we are. Makeup is done, quick and easy. Now that my skin has been cleared up, I don't make a big fuss when it comes to makeup anymore, because I know however I do my makeup, my skin is going to look good. My skin is going to look flawless. Really easy, really simple, really quick makeup look. Like I said, I'm heading out with my friends. We have a patio reserve. We're going to be sitting under the umbrella. We're going to be catching up and we're going to have a great time. Quick and easy. This is the beautiful lipstick. This is from Maybelline. This is called Almost Truffle. I'm gonna leave it down below again for you guys. I mean, look at how gorgeous this is. Very, very nude. And of course, I went in with my chestnut lip liner, or whichever lip liner you want to use will be perfect. But this is a gorgeous, beautiful brown nude lipstick from Maybelline. And here is the look. Again, since my skin has been cleared up, I mean, this makeup is quick. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Everything that I used on my face is going to be down below. And I do thank you guys so much for watching. I shall see you next time. Toodles.